Guys, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys the best website to buy Instagram followers in Cameroon, and it's very simple. All you need to do is to come to this platform, growbettercm.com. The link is in the description, right? Come to this website, do exactly the same thing I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. When you come to the website, first thing we need to do is to create an account. How do you now do that? You just need to come to this sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Tap on it, and it's going to bring you to a place where you are going to be putting your username and everything. So my network is slow, but you can see right here to bring you to this place. Create your username right here, put your email right here, and create a password right here, and confirm your password right here, and click on the sign up right here. You can see the sign up, tap on it, and your account is going to be created. But due to because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do right now is for me to log into my account and show you guys exactly how you can actually buy Instagram followers with this website. So let's go. So right now I've logged in. As you can see right here, this is how exactly it look like when you come to the website for the first time and log in. When you create your account, this is exactly how it's going to be looking like. So the first thing we need to do is for us to come to this category right here. Can you see the category? Just tap on it, and we are going to be looking for Instagram followers. So let's scroll down a little bit, and right here you can see different Instagram followers. I love using this particular one, Instagram followers non-drop new premium. You can see right here. I just need to select it, and the next thing we need to do is for us to come to this service right here. Tap on it and look for the particular service you want. But I love using the first one, so I just need to select the first one. The next thing you need to do is for you to actually read the description. The description is actually what describes the service. So right here they say the followers is ultra premium non-drop, and they say the start time is 0 to 30 minutes, and delivery speed is 5k a day, and they say the refill is 30 days, and the minimum you can order is 50, and the max you can order is 45,000 followers. And right here they say the quality is high quality. This place is where they wrote the kind of link that you need to actually copy and paste on this platform in order for you to get this follower. But you don't need to worry. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you are going to be copying the link. So let's go to Instagram. Come to Instagram right away, and come to your profile. When you come to your profile, you can see this shape profile right here. Can you see this shape profile right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, come to this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link right here? Tap on it, and your link is copied. So all you need to do is to go back to Grow Better and paste it. But before then, I want you guys to confirm that before we place an order, we had 906 followers. So we are going to be coming back, and you will see that the followers are going to increase, right? So let's go back and come to this place and paste your link. So once you paste your link right here, come to this quantity and put the amount of followers you want. In this video, I want only 100 followers, so let's just put 100. And after you've inserted the quantity of you want, just come to this submit right here. Can you see this submit right here? Tap on it, and boom, right here you can see they say your order has been received. Easy peasy. So the next thing we need to do right away is for us to actually exercise patience, and these followers will start coming into our account. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how then do you fund account in this platform? Is very easy. All you need to do is for you to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Tap on it. Come by your left hand side right here. You can see this add fund right here. Can you see the add fund? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, right, it will bring you to this place where they will tell you to read this instruction. They say kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number, you can see the Momo is MTN, and you can see the name on it. They say provide proof for payment screenshot with your username so that your payments can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to our admin. Contact us, right? So all you need to do is for you to actually send money to this account number right here, and send them your proof of payment and your Grow Better CM or username. So how then do you send it? Is either you click on this contact us right here, or you click on this WhatsApp icon right here. Can you see this WhatsApp icon? And it's take you to their WhatsApp. They'll send them your proof of payment and your username, and they're going to complete your payment for you. Easy peasy. So let's go back to Instagram to actually confirm if these followers have started coming in. So let's go. So right here, if you look at this place, you can see that we currently have one new follower, which means that the followers is already counting. And you remember before we place another, we had 906 followers. So let's go back and check. And as you can see right here, we still have 906 followers, right? And all we need to do is for us to refresh to see if the followers are increasing. And you can see right here, it has increased to 10, which means that the followers are already coming. And once you keep refreshing, you can see it has increased again to 11. But let's exercise patience so that more will come. So we don't need to leave Instagram and wait again a little while and come back. So right now, let's go back to Instagram to actually confirm if more are already following. So when you come right here, and boom, you allow it to load, and boom, you can see a few people just followed us 17 seconds ago, 44 seconds ago, a minute ago. And if you come back right here, you can see we currently have 19 more followers in right here. You can see this is exactly how they will be counting small until they complete, because currently it has to be coming in a little bit in order for it not to drop. You know, most of the services that come faster will drop faster. So this is exactly how to buy Instagram followers in Cameroon, and very simple. So all you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, do exactly the same thing I just did, and you'll be able to get these followers, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you guys in my next video.